Ready to swipe? Let's install Tinder on your Android phone in just few taps. First, open the Google Play Store. Here, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap the search bar and type in Tinder. Find the official Tinder app. Look for the red flame logo. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the install button. Tap on it. Wait for a few seconds while it downloads. Once installed, tap open to launch Tinder. Now you can sign up or log into your account. If Tinder won't install, check your internet connection or storage. What's your favorite Tinder feature? Let me know in the comments. And that's it. Tinder is installed on your Android phone. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.